Football Legends, Part 1. The history of football is shaped by legends who defined eras with their brilliance on the field. In the mid-20th century, Pelé rose to global fame, winning 3 World Cups with Brazil, while Diego Maradona mesmerized the world with his skill in the famous hand of God goal. The late 20th and early 21st centuries saw the rise of modern greats like Zinedine Zidane, Ronaldinho, Lionel Messi, and Cristiano Ronaldo, each rewriting records and redefining excellence. These legends not only brought glory to their nations and clubs but also elevated football to a global phenomenon. Alfredo Di Stefano, year 1926 to 2014. An Argentine-born forward, Di Stefano was a key figure in Real Madrid's dominance in the 1950s. Known for his versatility and stamina, he played for 3 national teams and won 5 consecutive European Cups. Wayne Rooney, year 1985. England's all-time top scorer and a Manchester United legend, Rooney was known for his powerful play, vision, and goal-scoring prowess. He won multiple Premier League titles and the UEFA Champions League. Sir Stanley Matthews, year 1915 to 2000. Known as the Wizard of the Dribble, Matthews was the first footballer to be knighted while still playing. His career spanned over 30 years, famed for sportsmanship and extraordinary dribbling skills. Andres Iniesta, year 1984. A midfield maestro for Spain and Barcelona, Iniesta was known for his intelligence, control, and clutch performances. He scored the winning goal in the 2010 FIFA World Cup final for Spain. Arthur Antunes Coimbra, Zico, year 1953. Nicknamed the White Pelé, Zico was Brazil's midfield genius of the 1970s and 80s. Renowned for his free kicks and playmaking, he was one of the greatest players never to win a World Cup. Sir Bobby Charlton, year 1937 to 2023. A Manchester United and England legend, Charlton survived the Munich air disaster and went on to win the 1966 World Cup. He was known for his powerful shooting and elegant midfield play. Samuel Eto'o, year 1981. One of Africa's most decorated footballers, Eto'o starred for Cameroon, Barcelona, and Inter Milan. Known for his sharp finishing and leadership, he won multiple league titles and Champions Leagues. Cristiano Ronaldo, year 1985. A Portuguese forward known for his athleticism, goal scoring, and longevity, Ronaldo has won 5 Ballon d'Ors. He has starred for Manchester United, Real Madrid, Juventus, and the Portugal national team. David Beckham, year 1975. An English icon known for his pinpoint crossing and free kicks, Beckham achieved fame with Manchester United and later played for Real Madrid, LA Galaxy, and PSG. Off the field, he became a global brand ambassador. Ronaldo Nazario, year 1976. Nicknamed O Fenomeno, Ronaldo was a Brazilian striker known for his explosive speed and finishing. He won 2 World Cups and dazzled fans at Barcelona, Inter Milan, and Real Madrid. Roberto Baggio, year 1967. An Italian forward famed for his creativity, vision, and the iconic ponytail, Baggio won the Ballon d'Or in 1993. His missed penalty in the 1994 World Cup final remains a tragic yet defining moment. Diego Maradona, year 1960 to 2020. A football genius from Argentina, Maradona was known for his dribbling, vision, and the infamous hand of God. He led Argentina to World Cup glory in 1986 and is celebrated as one of the greatest ever. Eusebio, year 1942 to 2014. The Black Panther of Portugal, Eusebio was known for his speed, technique, and thunderous shot. He led Portugal to 3rd place in the 1966 World Cup and was a star for Benfica. Bobby Moore, year 1941 to 1993. England's captain during their 1966 World Cup triumph, Moore was admired for his calm defending and leadership. He is regarded as one of the finest central defenders in football history. Ferenc Puskás, year 1927 to 2006. A Hungarian legend, Puskás was known for his incredible goal-scoring record and left-footed power. He starred for the mighty Magyars and Real Madrid, where he won multiple European Cups. Peter Schmeichel, year 1963. A Danish goalkeeper famous for his time at Manchester United, Schmeichel was known for his commanding presence and shot-stopping. He helped United win the treble in 1999 and led Denmark to Euro 1992 victory. Franck Ribéry, year 1983. A dynamic French winger, Ribéry dazzled with his pace and flair at Bayern Munich, where he won numerous Bundesliga titles and the Champions League. He was a finalist for the Ballon d'Or in 2013. Edson Arantes do Nascimento Pelé, year 1940 to 2022. Often called the greatest footballer of all time, Pelé scored over 1,000 goals and won 3 World Cups with Brazil. His impact on football transcended sport, making him a global icon. Paolo Rossi, year 1956 to 2020. An Italian striker who rose to fame during the 1982 World Cup, Rossi won the Golden Boot and led Italy to victory. His performances earned him the Ballon d'Or the same year. Franz Beckenbauer, year 1945 to 2024. Nicknamed Der Kaiser, Beckenbauer revolutionized the sweeper role and led West Germany to World Cup titles as both player and manager. He was elegant, strategic, and a natural leader on the pitch. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. G. Sobhanadri Rao.